Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable dark mode on YouTube Android. YouTube provides a dark theme option for a darker interface with a black background and white text, which can help reduce eye strain and improve battery life. However, some prefer the standard light mode. We will walk through turning off dark mode on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Select Appearance to control the theme. Options for customizing the look and feel of YouTube include a toggle for dark theme, which determines whether the lighter or darker interface displays. Turning this switch to the off position enables the standard light mode. Consider your viewing preferences and device for determining whether the dark or light theme suits you better. The default theme can be changed or enabled at any time. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to Dark Theme to the left, off, position to disable dark mode. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube playback on your Android device will now use the standard light theme until enabling dark mode or adjusting additional appearance settings. The default theme can be switched between light and dark going forward as preferred. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling the interface, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to disable dark mode on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the profile icon, select Appearance, turn off dark theme, review, and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now use the standard light theme unless dark mode is enabled or other appearance options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing the theme, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.